teenager and her family in this matter. The teenager is currently remanded in Nicosia prison. She faces trial in Cyprus after reporting a gang rape in the town of Ioannapa in the Republic of Cyprus. Today the teenager appeared in Famagusta District Court. At this hearing, she was represented by an expert legal team which was assembled by Justice Abroad, comprising of Lewis Power, Queen's Counsel, a top barrister from the English Bar of the senior rank of Queen's Counsel, Cypriot lawyer Nicoletta Haralan Bidou, an experienced human rights advocate, and Ritza Pekri, a criminal law expert. At today's hearing, the teenager entered a not guilty plea, and the matter will move towards trial. The teenager's case is that she has not lied about being raped, and that oppression was used by the Cypriot police in order to get her to retract her rape allegations, and that the purported retraction is unreliable because of what happened in the police station. This matter will be set for a voir dire, which is a trial within a trial in regards to that retraction statement. This will involve the prosecution having to prove that the retraction statement was not obtained through oppression, nor circumstances which are likely to make it unreliable to the criminal standard. So that's beyond reasonable doubt. The case will then proceed to trial, where the prosecution will have to prove beyond reasonable doubt that the teenager lied about being raped. The teenager's defense team will be submitting to the court that the evidence does not show this, and to the contrary, that the evidence, when considered alongside the behavior of the Israeli youths, both in Cyprus and on their return to Israel in Ben Gurion Airport, tends to show the opposite. The teenager's legal team intends to make written submissions to the Attorney General of Cyprus to discontinue this case against the teenager after considering the facts as set out in a letter we will write to the Attorney General. This remains a very important case to test the adherence of the Cypriot courts to the rights set out in the Cypriot Constitution, the provisions in the European Convention, and the directly applicable European Union directives on justice issues. It's important that the Cypriot Attorney General gives strong considerations to discontinuing this matter against the teenager, who is a rape complainant and has spent a significant period in prison on remand. The teenager will next appear in court on the 2nd of October 2019 at 11 a.m. The family wishes to extend their deep gratefulness to those who've contributed to the GoFundMe campaign from the United Kingdom, from Israel, and from the rest of the world. This will fund legal representation and assistance in what is a very difficult time for the family, and what they consider to be a very important fight for the rights of their daughter. They thank you for contributions to the GoFundMe campaign. Justice Abroad can be contacted by email, contact@justiceabroad.co.uk, about this matter and other similar matters. We ask you not to contact the individual lawyers who've appeared today because they need to spend their time working on this case and other matters. So thank you very much for coming. Thank you.